Hi, I have created one project which is the RAG-based AI chatbot. I have made this using Python, Streamlit, and Llama 3.2, which is running locally in my computer via Ollama. It allows users to upload PDF documents and ask questions directly from them, and the AI will answers only from the uploaded content. So I have used here Langchain to split PDF into small chunks and sentence transformer to convert them into vectors, and then I am using the ChromaDB to store and search them. When question is asked, ChromaDB finds the most relevant chunks and sends them to Llama to generate a precise answer. uh, and on like uh, if no PDF is uploaded, then it works as a normal general chatbot. You can do conversation with them. This entire app run is running 100% offline with no APIs keys needed. So, like, if I go to here and uploaded this, and I have uploaded this PDF which contains the stories. So when I will ask, uh, give me, I'm asking one question. Uh, Give me brief about this video. This will take some time. Like my like I have installed my Llama model in my PC, and my PC is of low specification. To run this fast, we need a more powerful resource like GPU or powerful CPU. So this will take time, like 1 to 2 minutes. So in backend, when you upload a PDF, like I'm using one library which extract the text, and then Langchain split it into small chunks, and sentence transformer convert those chunks into vectors, and ChromaDB saves them to the disk or file, you can say. When you ask a question, your question is also converted to a vector, and ChromaDB finds the topmost similar chunks. Those chunks plus your question are sent to Llama, which generates the final answer, as you can see here. Like, like this is giving, and on the another hand, if no PDF is uploaded, then your question is directly uh, goes to Llama, and it answers from its own training or knowledge, you can say. Like I will say, give me definition of Python. So here I have not uploaded any PDF, so it works as normally a chatbot. So in backend, your question goes directly to Llama, and it answers from its own knowledge. So here no searching and no checks and no vectors are using. This will give answer. This will take time, 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, as I said that my uh, this PC is not that much powerful. If you are using any like open source API like Cloud API and OpenAI API, so uh, that makes this fast that will make this fast. Like, and if you are using the smaller version of model, like Llama is also smaller versions of model, so it will also improve the response time, but not that much. So as here it, it is giving me answer, so you can do normal chatting with them also, and you can ask the questions as uh, you ask from ChatGPT. So that's it.